Ramsau am Dachstein, a charming mountain village in Austria, is nestled at the foot of the magnificent Dachstein Mountains. Its unique high plateau location offers unparalleled natural beauty, distinct from typical narrow Alpine valleys. Often called the southern balcony of the Alps, it enjoys a sunny position, creating mesmerizing light displays. The vast 75-kilometer plateau leans against the 2,996-meter Dachstein Massif, perfect for strolls or challenging climbs. Explore over 200 kilometers of marked hiking trails, from easy plateau walks to high alpine routes up to 2,900 meters. Don't miss the 5-Hut Trail, Fünf-Hütten-Weg, for a delightful day with magnificent views of the Dachstein. Ramsau is the cradle of Via Ferratas, offering over 19 secured climbing routes, including the world's oldest Randkluft. There are even child-friendly Via Ferratas like Kali, Carla and Heidi for younger adventurers. Discover 17 well-marked cycling routes, ranging from half-day tours to 3-day tours around the Dachstein. E-biking, downhill trails, and single tracks provide even more options for cycling enthusiasts. Visit the Dachstein Glacier, the easternmost glacier in the Alps, open year-round for breathtaking views. Experience the thrilling suspension bridge, the stairway to nothingness, and the skywalk viewing platform. You can even ski and cross-country ski on the glacier, even during the summer months. The Rittersberg Adventure Park offers family fun with a summer toboggan run, swimming lake and high rope courses. Don't forget to visit the stunning Silberkarklam Gorge, with its steep cliffs and beautiful waterfalls. In winter, Ramsau am Dachstein transforms into a snowy wonderland for sports enthusiasts. It's a top cross-country skiing destination with 130 kilometers of classic and 70 kilometers of skating trails. Enjoy family-friendly alpine ski slopes, perfect for beginners and children, with the Kali mascot. Experience guided snowshoeing tours, ski tours, and night tobogganing on the floodlit run at Rittisberg. Romantic horse-drawn sleigh rides complete the quintessential winter holiday.